Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to play Wordle game. So if you want to play Wordle game is now trending on App Store and Play Store. So and many of the gamers are streaming it live and showing the result on the Twitter, sharing your the result on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to play this game, first of all you have to know the basic rule of this game. So I'm going to show you how to approach the game. In this game you have to guess the 5 letter word, which is you have to guess it, and also you have to know that there are some hints given in the game. So let's start the game. So here you will see daily word. Now you will see that 5 boxes are given. Now I am going to enter first word, wrist, WORST. So when I enter wrist in this word, you will see every word is in the black or gray color. So this means that neither W nor or R S T is in the word. So gray means none of them is in the word. So now enter second word. I am going to enter second word here, apple. Now submit, and here you will see P is in the yellow. So it means that P is in the letter in the word. So means P is in the word, but this word is not at the right place. So yellow means the letter is in the word, but not in the right place. So now write PU. Now I have to write any word like this. So let's write another word, pinky. So now pinky. Now again you will see that P is in the late word, but is not the first word. So like this, and Y is the letter in the word. Green means the Y is in the word and it is at the right place. So Y is the last letter of the word. Now we are going to write dumpy. Again we are going to place P is at the right place. So like this you will see that UMPY is green. Now it means that P is at the right place, Y is at the right place, and M is the right place. Now we are going to write jumpy. So like this, I have guessed the word. You got it right, great. So like this you will see that I have guessed the word. You will see an ad after the game, but you will see like this statics. Now you have to, if you are going to share it on the in your Instagram or Facebook, you can share that. Click on the share option and you can share that, and you will see like this. If it is yellow, it means that it is in the word but not in the right place. If it is green, it means that it is in the word but it is at the right place. And if it is gray, it means that it is not in the word. So this is the hint you will get in the Wordle game. So like this you can play and guess the word. So if you like this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Thanks for watching.